It's also really important to take a critical approach to your reading and your note-taking for your dissertation. And one approach that you might like to use, which will help to keep you more focused and to be more strategic and more purposeful in your reading. This is based on Driscoll's model of critical reflection, and we call it the what, so what, now what approach. And loosely translated, this turns into the what does it say, the significance of what it says, and then finally, what am I going to do with this information? So a few questions that we can use to demonstrate these three sections are: think, well, when I'm reading, first of all, I just want to understand the key arguments or the key information that is in this article. I might want to gather some relevant quotes or some paraphrase material, and I will write down the reference. Next question to ask yourself when you start exploring this in more depth is, well, so what? What do I think about what this says? Not just what does it say, because we don't just want to be descriptive in our note-taking. We want to think about what it means to our dissertation for our purposes. Why is it important? How is it relevant to what I'm studying? How does it compare to what others have said? Is this credible and reliable? Is it new, interesting? Is it up to date? And what value or implications does it have for what I'm looking at in my dissertation? Then think, well, what am I going to do with this information then? So if I've decided that it's relevant and valuable and useful for my purposes, how am I going to use it in my writing? Or maybe I won't use it now, maybe I'll save it for later.